So welcome back to my channel, and today we will do again the analysis of Nifty and Nifty Bank. Yesterday when we did an analysis of Nifty and Nifty Bank, I had said that Nifty may reach to 10,200, 10,187 levels precisely. And if we have to trade and if there will be a gap down opening, what we need to do, we have to wait for some pullback, and from the pullback, once the pullback is done, we will look for any bearish candle and do a short selling. That strategy might have worked very well in Nifty, and I hope some of you might have taken trade accordingly. You can see it over here in 15 minutes chart. There was a gap down opening and price went down a little bit to 10,187, 190 precisely, and the price retraced from here and touched the 20 period moving average of 15 minutes, and the price went down. And I had said target will be the low of the candle which will get formed, which will be a gap down opening candle. So I hope some of you might have taken trades accordingly. And I had also told to look at the RSI in 50 minutes. When it will come in the range of 40-50 zone, there you should look at the bearish candle and then do a short selling over there. Or you could have bought a put, or you could have sell a call over here if you would have done an option writing. So that is your choice how you wanted to trade this. So now what we are going to do is we will look at what is going to happen in Nifty tomorrow. So what we will do, let's put a 1-day chart first. In 1 day you can see there's a candle which got formed over here below this bearish candle, which doesn't give us much information. So I can see 200 period moving average above, and we can see 20 period moving below, moving average below. So what we'll do, we'll try to analyze this chart in 15 minutes time frame first. So let me just make it a little compact so that we can analyze this properly. So in 15 minutes time frame, if you see that I can identify a channel which has got formed. So let me draw this channel for you so that you can see it. So this is a channel which has got formed in 15 minutes time frame. Now if we have to trade tomorrow, what we need to do is we have to wait for the price. The price is going like this, it is touching this channel, it is going like this, it may probably touch this channel tomorrow, and whichever way there will be a breakdown, either a downside or it may go up, then we need to take a trade. So if actually it breaks this channel from the downside, so we will sell it over here, we'll put a sell order over here, and our target will be whatever is the range of this channel. Okay, and that should be our target. And if it breaks out from the upside, so whatever is the range of this channel, that should be our target. Now let's see the range of this channel, how much it is coming. So what we will do, we will use a price range over here and plot it over this. So this is roughly around 120, 130 points. So if it goes down, so we will see 130, 120 or even double of that. So what you need to do, if price breaks down, just put a sell order over here, and once the price reaches around 100 points down, just trail your stop loss, because there is a possibility, there's a very high possibility that the price may even touch this level if it gives a breakout from a downside. This is a level of the target, and this is precisely coming almost a double of this channel. Now if price breaks out from the upside, then this level will be our target. So this is also coming precisely let's see whether it is coming double of this. Almost, you can say it is coming almost to same level. 130 points is the range of this channel, so double of that is around 300 points. But I don't so you should not wait for the 300 points to get. What you should do, you should wait for 100, 120 points to get, and a better strategy would be to trail the stop loss over there. If it comes at, it will hit your stop loss, at least you will protect your profit. So this should be the strategy in Nifty. And second, we will see the same thing in 1 hour time frame. And let's see what is happening in 1 hour time frame. So you can see in 1 hour time frame, uh, the price is again in the same channel. So let's wait for this channel to break either side, whether it will break towards downside or towards upside. So we will take a trade accordingly. So if there are some aggressive traders, what they can do is they can use a 5 minutes time frame and trade within this channel, or even they can use 1 minute time frame if they would like to do so and trade within this channel. So this is a strategy for Nifty, and let's see what is actually happening in Bank Nifty and how we should trade tomorrow in Bank Nifty. So what we are going to do is we will first use a 1-day chart. Now Bank Nifty again is very close to 20 period moving average of 1 day, and this candle is giving us it is a spring top candle, and this is a reversal candle. So but we don't know, we need to get a confirmation. If there's a green candle getting formed from here tomorrow, then we will see whether we need to buy. If there's a red candle getting formed below this, then we have to take a sell call. But we will not use 1 day time frame. What we will do, we will again use a 15 minutes time frame over here to try to identify a pattern. If there is any pattern which is getting actually formed over here, we will trade that pattern. Now you can see here in 15 minutes chart, there is again a channel which has got formed. Okay, so there's a channel which has got formed, and price is actually trading within this channel because today was a expiry day, and the price was kept deliberately within the channel. So tomorrow there may be a breakout or breakdown, either way. So we will not predict the market. What we will do is we will identify the patterns and trade the patterns. So now what we have identified here, there is a channel which has got formed. So we will wait for this price to break the channel either downside or upside and trade accordingly. Now let us identify what could be the possible targets. Now this is a horizontal ray I am drawing. This will be the target on the downside, and this will be the target on the upside, the first target. Okay, this will be the target on the upside. But we will see what is the price range of this channel, and is this price actually matching this. So let me just measure this price range, and this is coming around 550 points, and if we go below, so we will see double of it is around 800. So this is precisely coming the target, the first level of target. And if we go upside, this is again coming double of this. So what we need to do is our strategy has to be in Bank Nifty that let this price break either side of the channel, and then in Bank Nifty we will take around 500 points, and we will we will trail our stop loss whichever direction the Bank Nifty price will go. Similar strategy we need to adopt in Nifty, where if this channel is getting break from downside or upside, what we will do is we will simply put a buy order over here above this channel, and we will simply put a sell order below this channel. So this should be our strategy for tomorrow, and I hope you will like this strategy, and this strategy will work very well tomorrow. And today we have not got data from NSE, that is open market open interest data which we get from NSE. So they have given the data today. There are some reports, but these are partial reports. They are yet to upload some more reports. So I am refreshing it. So that report is still not published. So that's why I didn't wait for that. So nobody has got what is the FII data, or what is the DIIs and clients data right now. So I'm making this video without that data. So we don't need data. So we have identified a pattern which we need to trade. So there's a channel which has got formed. So let us trade this channel. So aggressive traders, what they can do is they can use a 5 minutes time frame and even trade within this channel, or even they can use a 1 minute time frame and trade within 1 minute. So this is a support, this is a resistance, this is a support, this is a resistance. Now we need to take calls accordingly. So that's it for today, and I hope your trades will be profitable trades tomorrow with this analysis. Thank you very much.